my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. God bless you and you are welcome. It's lunchtime here at the Thompsons. We are having steamed cabbage with shrimps and carrots, fried half-ripe plantains. Please check out the description box below for all of the ingredients that I used in making this dish a success. Family, I'm still doing it. I am still doing it by the grace of God. I am still bringing the restaurant home. God bless you. Be sure to check out the description box now. Everything in this dish will be listed there for you. Go ahead and make yourself some today. Oh my word, this was good. My daughter loved it and my husband enjoyed it. He asked if there was any more. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. Please give it a thumbs up if you have enjoyed it. Leave a comment, share it out. God bless you, and I will see you in the next one.